Good morning! It's travel day! My name's Allie, and today I'm heading to the place that actually inspired this YouTube channel.
Honestly, I just can't believe that it's come so quickly.
I used to live here, so I'm super excited to share with you guys Japan's rich culture, jaw-dropping nature, and delectable food.
Oh, that is so insane.
But first, we have to get there.
This video is sponsored by Keeps.
I cannot believe that the day is finally here. I'm speechless. It's 6 a.m. right now, so I'm just gonna do a couple little things to button things up, and then I'm gonna be headed to the airport. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I usually have white suitcases, but I got new ones because those got destroyed. These ones have covers. Killing it.
Bye, Muffin. Bye, Miss Baby.
We're almost at the airport. It's pretty crazy that the last time I was here, I was being wheeled out in a wheelchair.
Honestly, I just can't believe that it's come so quickly. So other than being excited to go back to Japan, which of course I am, I'm also really excited to see Tristan because I haven't seen him in 4 months. So we are going to be reuniting here in Japan and also doing a little competition to see who gets to the hotel first, because I technically arrive first, but I'm at the further airport, so we'll see. Guys, I am having major imposter syndrome right now. This is my first time in Premium Economy. Oh my gosh, like, this is the best flight ever. So I ended up going with Premium Economy seating this time, mainly just because I wanted to make sure I was comfortable. The whole back situation. I feel like I'm never going to be able to go back again. Like, regular economy seating is ruined for me. We are back with an update. I think we're 10 hours into the flight right now, so we just have our last meal and then we start descending, which is crazy! Stay calm. I can't stay calm, but stay calm. Not gonna lie, these long flights go really fast for me. I just give myself like a billion things to do on the plane and don't try to sleep, and great, just flies by. Helps that I am so excited as well. So yeah, so we have one more meal. They're probably coming out around right now, but we'll see how it is. It smells like Japan. I don't know how to describe that, but it smells like Japan.
There it is. Low-cost bus.
This has all happened so fast. I couldn't take any photos or videos in security for obvious reasons. But then once I got out, I just immediately got a bus ticket that leaves in like 2 minutes. So we're just going with the flow. So originally I told Tristan that it was going to be close and it was going to be kind of like a race to see who won, but there's no way he's winning. I'm going to be there very soon. Really quick, I wanted to mention that yes, I am so excited for this next adventure, but also I have been recovering from my injury and there's been a lot of big life changes in my life. And during times like this, it can be super stressful. Stress is a major cause of hair thinning that actually a lot of people experience, but that's where today's sponsor Keeps can help. There's a ton of leading causes for hair loss, such as deficiencies, childbirth, and genetics. For example, male pattern baldness is a genetic condition that affects 2 out of every 3 men by the time they are 35. It makes it affordable and easy to treat hair loss in the comfort of their own home. With Keeps, you can get clinically proven treatments delivered straight to your door. So step 1, you complete an online consultation that matches you with the correct treatment plan. Step 2 is to find a plan that works with your schedule. They're super flexible and offer 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month delivery options. Plus, you can adjust, pause, or cancel your subscription at any time. And the best part is that treatments offered by Keeps are clinically proven to increase hair growth by 35%. Keeps offers both of the FDA-approved hair loss treatment options, as well as a 2-in-1 treatment that combines both. And on top of that, Keeps also offers a hair thickening shampoo, conditioner, and a styling pomade. These products work together to complement your treatment plan. It is fully designed by hair loss experts. Hair loss stops with Keeps, so for a special offer, make sure to go to keeps.com/wanderlustalley or click the link below. That is keeps.com/wanderlustalley. Thank you, Keeps, for sponsoring this video. We've made it! I just finished rearranging some of my stuff. I now have all the rain gear as the sun has just now started coming through, but it was torrential downpouring when we were on the bus, so feels good to be not soaked. I still just can't believe I'm here. I'm so shook. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels good to be back. This view is insane. Guys, I actually cannot believe it. I'm literally in Japan right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I'm in the most incredible place to stay. The room isn't anything crazy, but look at this view. This is literally a Mochasando crossing right here. Right here. This whole trip just feels like the most incredible blessing. I feel so blessed that I even have had the opportunity to be in Japan this many times, but to be back, this is my first time ever being in Japan not on a working visa. That means this is the first time that I can actually get a JR pass. If you know anything about Japan travel, the JR pass allows you to get unlimited access to basically the entire country, but you couldn't do that if you were a resident. So I just have never been able to have one, which is really sad. But now I'm here and during cherry blossom season. The last time I was here for cherry blossom season was in 2020, and we all know what that was like, so it was a mild cherry blossom season. We didn't have work, so that was great. But it was discouraged to go out in the park, but yeah, a different time. Oh my gosh! Why did I film that whole thing without lights? So now the final piece of the puzzle is for Tristan to be here. He should be on his way now. Yeah, I have no idea exactly where he is. I don't have his location at the moment, but he has just arrived he landed about an hour ago. So my guess is that he's maybe on his way here right now. I actually have no idea. So I think in the meantime, I'm gonna freshen up after a 12-hour flight because we're probably gonna get dinner after this, and then I'll let you guys know what we're gonna be up to in these next couple weeks. I hope you guys could just feel how happy I am. I'm so happy to share this with you guys too. You know, not that I didn't enjoy working on a cruise ship, but like the love I have for Japan as a country is completely different than you can just have for a ship. Like they're on two different tiers. Completely.
We made it, just landed in Tokyo. Holy heck, the body is sore, but we're here. So that's the main thing.
So Tristan just texted me saying that he's on his way. So at this point, I'm just hoping that he's okay, because something that I struggled with was my baggage. This room has 3 twin beds, so I just tossed all my stuff over there. But guys, as much as I love Japan, sometimes I think they could do better with the whole elevator accessibility thing. Getting this puppy around Tokyo was not easy, so it's kind of making me rethink some of our future plans. Tristan and I both have bad backs. I mean, I'm fine. I feel fine right now. But like we have both herniated a disc in the past couple months, so. I just hope he's doing okay because I know what the elevators look like and I know what to look for, but he doesn't. And I know he's using the train to get around, so I hope he's okay.
Just got off the train. We have made it, like seconds away from seeing Allie, and I'm freaking out right now. I'm so excited. We have found her. There she is.
There he is! Oh, he's the little bean right there.
Hi! Oh, baby. Oh, I miss you so much. We're in Japan together.
I had such an amazing travel day returning back to my happy place, and although the day is done, I'm so excited to show you guys all of my next adventures. So stay tuned for amazing Japanese food, the best cherry blossom season, and my first time doing van life. See you guys next time. Bye!